Hello, welcome. My name is Steve Stump. You're listening to Insurance Talk. And today I thought I would talk about and explain what is an asset risk review and why you need one. It's unique to my agency and not everyone has it. Hey, before I get started, let me go back there. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit the bell, give this thing a like because it helps others learn more about the content that I provide, and I hope to provide value each and every time, but also make sure that it comes back up in your feed because the next episode will be one that you definitely want to listen to. So let's talk asset risk review and what that is. All right. So asset risk review, what that is, it's a look at your entire insurance profile. Your insurance profile isn't just insuring your home separate from your auto, and then your health and your life is all separate. Your insurance profile is actually all four of those combined so that an insurance agent can provide a professional view of whether you are properly covered across all of those segments. Now, a lot of insurance agents simply just get your declaration pages and match the policy and tell you what the price is going to be. But you might not necessarily be properly covered. What I'm finding is that a lot of people haven't reviewed the value of their homes over the past several years, and now they're underinsured. Should something happen, they wouldn't be able to rebuild their home because of the value of homes and the replacement cost of that home. So my asset risk review takes a look at your home, your auto, your health, and your life. And I want to break down each one of those. With your home insurance, I will actually look at your home value. I'm going to look at a couple of things. I'm going to see how the appraisal district appraises your home value. I'm going to take a look at how the market, the real estate market, appraises your home value. And then I'm going to look at averages for rebuild cost across the U.S., and I'm going to triangulate on what the real value of your home would be if you had to replace it. I want to make sure that you're properly insured in that respect. When it comes to your your auto, I'm going to make sure that you're properly insured should the worst thing happen to you. If you've got the minimums, maybe that's what you need to fit within your budget, and I can understand that. But if I can increase your coverages without blowing your budget, I'll explain why that's beneficial for you. And should you get into an accident where you're going to max out those limits, you'll be better protected and they won't be able to come after you and your assets. Now, health. Now, you may get your health insurance from your employer, but did you know that most employers do not cover any of the cost of adding a dependent or a spouse to your plan? Because of that, I can take a look at what private options may be available because your employer's insurance, health insurance, may make a lot of sense for you to stay on it. But we may be able to lower your health insurance cost by segmenting the family that is not employed with your employer, your spouse, and your children, and getting them on a better plan that's going to lower your cost. Actually, they'll probably have better benefits than you do. And then the last one is your life insurance. Now, you may either have life insurance through an employer or you've never considered about getting life insurance. And this is what I help people understand is that life insurance through an employer is actually going to go away when you leave that employer. Let's say you get terminated, you get laid off, or you're done. You don't want to work there anymore. Well, when you separate from that employer, that life insurance doesn't go with you. And unfortunately, you're getting older each and every year that you're there. And so life insurance is getting more and more costly. So I hope you understand that life insurance from an employer is great if you've got it, but let's augment your life insurance as well. And we can explore your options across lots of different available products that are out there so that you've got the right coverage and a coverage still in place when you leave your employer. So what this report looks like is a 7-page report. I had it up there before. You'll get your own personal report, which is a side-by-side comparison of your current limits and what the new insurance limits will be, and whether or not I will be providing any savings to you with the new plan. My approach isn't simply to lower your insurance cost. My approach is to make sure you're properly insured when the unexpected happens. And if that does increase your costs, I hope you understand why. Well, my name is Steve Stump. Remember, getting stumped on your insurance is actually the best thing that can happen to you. To find out why, insure with me, Steve Stump. Take a look at my website and get your asset risk review completed today. Let me know what your thoughts are about this report and if you've seen it from other insurance agents. I know I haven't. So appreciate you listening today, and I hope you have a fantastic day.